In November 2018, Voyager 2 finally exited the influence of the Sun and entered interstellar space. This place is approximately 119 astronomical units away from the Sun, which is equivalent to about 17.8 billion kilometers. It took a whopping 41 years to reach this point. Now, Voyager 2 has started sending us information about the space beyond our solar system. Through this, scientists have gained new insights into astonishing phenomena that were previously unexpected. Recently, Voyager 2 has sent scientists some truly groundbreaking information. The contents of this information was that the density of space was gradually increasing the further away it got from the Sun. This isn't the first time density has been observed to increase as distance from the Sun grows. Voyager 1, which first entered interstellar space in 2012, also sent similar data. The recent data sent by Voyager 2 not only validated the data from Voyager 1 but also provided evidence that this could be a characteristic of interstellar space. Voyager 2 is currently moving beyond the heliopause, the boundary known as the heliosphere. The heliopause is the outermost boundary of the solar system, determined by the influence of the solar wind. The heliopause is the boundary where the pressures from the solar wind pushing outward and the interstellar medium pushing inward reach equilibrium, halting the expansion of the solar wind. Once crossed, this point leads into true interstellar space, the realm of interstellar medium. Contrary to popular belief, interstellar space is not a perfect vacuum as many people assume. Although low in density, interstellar space still contains traces of matter. Voyager 1, having crossed the heliopause in 2012, first detected a density of 0.055 particles per cubic centimeter from a distance of roughly 18.3 billion kilometers in October 2013. Voyager 2 passed the heliopause in November 2018 and confirmed a density of 0.039 particles per cubic centimeter from approximately 17.9 billion kilometers in January 2019. Voyager 1, after moving about 2.9 billion kilometers, confirmed an electron density of around 0.13 particles per cubic meter. Additionally, in June 2019, Voyager 2 measured about 0.12 particles per cubic centimeter from 18.5 billion kilometers, indicating a significantly increased density. To summarize, Voyager 1's density rose from 0.055 to 0.13, and Voyager 2's from 0.039 to 0.12. The increased distance was Voyager 1 having moved from 18.3 to 21.2 billion kilometers, and Voyager 2 from 17.9 to 18.5 billion kilometers. Solar wind typically contains protons and electrons with densities of 3 to 10 per cubic meter. As the distance from the Sun increases, density gradually decreases. However, it turns out that as they moved further from the Sun, the density of space greatly increased. Although the numbers may seem small, they were substantial enough to captivate the scientists. Due to the inability to determine the exact cause, the phenomenon was particularly captivating. Scientists generated two hypotheses to explain this phenomenon. One of them is the interstellar magnetic field hypothesis. When this interstellar magnetic field encounters the heliopause, it intensifies, leading to a higher density in its vicinity. Indeed, Voyager 2 even detected a stronger magnetic field than expected when passing through the heliopause. Another hypothesis suggests that material transported by the interstellar wind may have experienced deceleration near the heliopause. Therefore, it is possible that Voyager detected decelerated material near the heliopause as a result of this. In 2018, the outer solar probe New Horizons captured faint ultraviolet emissions, believed to be caused by the accumulation of neutral hydrogen at the heliopause. It's also possible that both hypotheses could have been applied. It is anticipated that a comprehensive analysis of this matter will require a significant amount of time. scientists hope Voyager will endure long enough for them to adequately study this phenomenon. To unravel this mystery, scientists may have to wait until New Horizons ventures into interstellar space, or perhaps a completely new space probe will be necessary. In any case, it is expected that this mystery will not be easily solved.